Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to a deal in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, log in using your account credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all of your CRM tools and settings. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of your screen and click on the gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's where you'll configure most of the customization options for your HubSpot account. Clicking this icon will open up the settings panel where you can adjust various features and permissions. Now direct your attention to the left side of the settings panel. You'll see several sections listed vertically, and you need to find the one labeled Data Management. This section controls how your data is organized and managed within HubSpot, including the different objects you work with like contacts, companies, and deals. Within the Data Management section, click on Objects. This will take you to a page where you can configure settings for all the different types of data objects in your CRM. It's an important area because it determines what features are available for each object type. At the top of this page, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Deals from the list. This filters the settings so you're only looking at options related to deals, which is exactly what you need for adding collaborators. Once you've selected deals, scroll down through the settings until you find a section called Collaboration. This is where HubSpot lets you control whether users can add collaborators to deals. Make sure the checkbox next to Allow users to add collaboration is checked. If it's not enabled, users won't be able to assign collaborators to any deals, so this step is essential for the feature to work properly. Now that you've enabled the collaboration feature, it's time to actually add a collaborator to a specific deal. Go back to the left side of your screen and click on CRM. From there, click on Deals to view all your deals in the system. Browse through your deals and click on the specific deal where you want to add a collaborator. This will open up the deal record with all its details and associated information. On the left side of the deal record, look for a section labeled Deal Collaborator. This is where you can assign team members to collaborate on this particular deal. Click on the drop-down menu in this section and choose the collaborator you want to add from the list of available users in your HubSpot account. And that's it. You've successfully added a collaborator to a deal in HubSpot, allowing team members to work together more effectively on closing opportunities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.